start speaking now.
Mm. Well, in the past, I've been visit to many places. The country that I really like is Vietnam. There are a lot of cities that are beautiful in views, and there are really cheap experience. But I think I would rather visit again in Hanoi. Hanoi is in the south of Vietnam. About 5 years ago, I once go there with one of my best friends there. With one of my best friend here. With me, the people there is very friendly. I can buy a lot of things with the same amount of money that I could use in other place, because in Hanoi you can buy many more things cheaper. Also in Hanoi there are lots of fun places to visit. You can visit turtle at Hồ Gươm Lake. You can visit some old school in Hanoi, and at Hanoi there are very cheap. At Hanoi there are cheaper experience than other places, because Hanoi is a big city where a lot of people sell things up there. You can easily get food with just $1. You can get a lot of food. I would rather go again at Hanoi when I could.
Okay. Now, let me ask you, can you tell me some advantages and disadvantages of traveling by airplane?
The advantages of traveling by airplane, that is clean, it's fast, and it's more easier to travel to place by place. Of the disadvantage, it's more expensive than other transitions. It's more expensive, and it needs a long time to wait to get into the airplane.
Do you think that modern means of transportation harm the environment a lot?
I think so, because they use more electricity. They use more electricity and gas, and I think that with more transition in the future, it will get more harmful in the future.
And do you agree or disagree that it was more comfortable to travel in the past?
I think I would agree, because now there are more modern transition here. In Hanoi, there are a lot of transition like train, plane, taxi, car. But in the past, there are just a few transitions that can move, but with a very long time, and it's not very clean with that.
Okay. Finally, let me ask you one more question. How do you think that travel will change in the future?
I think people will have more people will traveling faster by underground train, or maybe some train that can fly on the sky, or maybe it will even have a machine that can move everyone to every place. That makes travel more faster.
Okay, good.